Gamitin yung POS natin dito sa Serve. Okay, first, login your account. And then, sa baba, under Operations, you have the cashier. Click nyo lang yung cashier. Ganito po yung POS natin. First, kailangan nyo i-connect yung printer. Turn on the Bluetooth, then connect. Pair. Alright? Then, once paired na yung printer natin, na madali na lang po. If there is a order, click New Order. And then, you can choose Dine-in, Pick-up, or Delivery. Okay? Tapos lahat ng customer na na-save na ninyo, you can search here para automatic na siya mag-regenerate ng phone tsaka delivery address. Dine in, select table, and then send to kitchen. Now, after that, ganyan po siya lalabas. Tapos, kung meron kayong kitchen display, which is this one, open natin sa new tab. Okay, since lalabas po ganito sa kitchen. Okay? Table 1, start preparing, and then mark as ready. After ready na, cashier will be notified na food for table 1 is ready. Kailangan nyo lang i-serve. Alright? Ganun lang po yung ating POS. Pag print naman ng bill, click nyo lang print bill. Magpiprint na po yan. If you want paid cash, click nyo lang paid cash. Tapos, meron pa dito, if you want discount, you can add the PW discount or custom or percentage discount. Okay? And if meron naman po mga gift cards, or if i-void, dito lang po mag-void. More, tapos void. Alright? That's it.